How's it, brothers?
Wow.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah.
The best day ever.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
We're heading to Maui. I don't know if you guys notice anything different. You guys see the quality of the camera? I got a new camera. So this is the camera. We got that. Super cute. It's so tiny. I like it.
So cute.
There's our ride. Aww, cutesy. Hi Ryan, thank you. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, heck yeah. Can I open it?
Yeah, but don't read it out loud. Read it just to yourself.
Oh, wow.
It says, let's party.
Okay.
Oh, dang, really? Dang, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna do it. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That's legit.
That's cool. We're getting lunch now.
Hi everyone, so there's strawberries, bananas, pineapples. We have some shredded coconut over here. Look at that quality.
Pineapple? Good.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
Open it.
Wow.
Get in there. Oh, wow.
Aw, thank you.
This is for you.
What the heck? Wow, it's like Christmas.
What is-
Aw,
Favorite.
you make
That's when you guys were.
my heart.
Oh.
Aww.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
And different colors.
This is sick.
Nightlight.
Ooh. Oh, Valentine's Day duck. More ducks. More ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
Perfect.
Your toothpaste.
Oh, I need this.
And a toothbrush cover.
Oh, I need that too. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Tuck.
My turn.
Oh.
Oh, where's my fun note? Oh, wow.
It said Maui onion. It's like, that's just regular potato.
Is that why you asked me about my favorite snack?
Yeah.
Thank you, Jeff.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Oh, yeah. We were just looking at that. She wanted that.
Oh, nice.
Look at my
Special
face.
dark.
Especially dark.
Yum, yum.
No, you gotta open the card now.
Right
Go! Go grab it! Grab the stuff. Go, open it. Open the luggage.
What is it?
Go open it. Recessed peanut butter cup hearts. Oh, yes.
So nice.
I'll wear this for dinner.
Oh,
Whoa. Whoa.
So cool, yeah.
What the?
you can open it.
I choose you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you
aren't the Jigglypuff? It's cute.
That's so cute.
Thanks, Nicole.
You're welcome.
Yeah, holy. I was wondering why you were looking for Pokeballs. No, come here and close your eyes.
Sit
Yeah, sit
down.
down over here and close your eyes.
Do you know?
One last surprise.
She has to close his eyes too, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Both of them.
I know a lot of it.
So what? You don't know anything. Is it what I freaking
It's a
think
god
it
cat.
is? Oh
I
my gosh,
know.
no,
It's a
I'm kidding.
god
I know. I'm connecting the dots.
What are you talking
What are
about?
you talking about?
I know what it is, you guys! I hope I know what it is. Oh, my heart's racing. Is this the moment, Nick? Is it what I think it is, Nick?
No.
I got all excited.
It's not that.
You don't even know what I'm thinking of. As I don't,
I
I've
know.
never told you anything about it. The suspense is killing me. Did someone go to Asia recently?
No.
Oh.
Okay, are we ready?
I'm nervous.
Ready,
Yes.
set, go.
Open my eyes?
Yeah.
Oh my god! How? How?
Okay.
What the frick, you guys? Ryan, you have no idea what this means to me. Ryan! Ryan, you
Now
know
we-
what this is?
It's
I'm gonna cry.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna cry, Ryan, because I've always wanted one. Because I tried. I was on their email list. Okay, I'm ready.
no.
I want all of it. Actually, oh my god! I can't believe I'm holding it. Sorry, I have a roller coaster emotion. We were looking at this last night. Okay, sorry. Okay, I don't know which one we want. The sitting down ones. CC.
Yeah, they're all sitting down.
Oh yes, have a seat. Duh. Oh my gosh. Can I have yours? See it?
Secret one.
It feels
Soft. Oh.
Is it cute? Selfie. This is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted.
Okay, Ryan.
Okay.
Wow.
I want the secret one.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my
I
gosh.
hope I don't get down.
I'm gonna put it on my bag.
Oh, yeah.
Put it on my bag.
Like a
Put it
dupe.
on my bag. Oh no, you're not doing it right. You're not doing it. Oh, wait, you got a different one. You got a different one. You got hee.
Oh, they're cutesy together.
Aww.
Oh, that's a
They're
nice
cute.
color.
Yeah, they're
Oh, they're cute.
Opening the box. Oh yeah.
Who's that one?
That one's so cute. Oh, Jeff opened it.
Wow, Jeff opened it like a potato bag.
Oh!
Oh my
Who's
god.
that? Cute, cute. Oh.
Look at the color.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
The best day ever.
Oh my god, my day's made.
Success, surprise. I'm gonna open this. This is my first time opening a surprise box of Prismatic. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Sick.
Let's see our 4 packs of Prismatic. Okay. Wow, we got Jolteon too, Jeff. Jolteon and Jolteon. That's our first ace bag. Love that. And wow, another hit. We've been hitting, Jeff. Ooh, Pokeball. Come on. Meow. Last pack of this box. And Hey Jeff, where are we?
Oh, hi everyone. Thank you again for tuning in. So we are at Ryan's baseball game. So it's King Keaukehe versus Hack West. What's the nickname? What's the nickname?
And then Ryan's team is there. Woo! Update, we're at Jen's now. Yay! Hungry. Tofu soup, mandu, rice cake, and japchae. Yeah, 잘 먹겠습니다. Sides, yay! Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We are heading to the Biwalea shops. Yeah. Yes. We're gonna get matcha. I love this matcha place. It's called Maui Matcha. They make it in front of you. Wow, look at this view. I like the mountain. We shall see you when we get there. We are at the shops at Wailea now.
Hey guys, how's it?
I see you wearing your new shirt.
Yeah, actually just got it.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
Your little labubu.
Nope, sorry, he's shy.
He's shy. Here it is, Maui matcha. So good, so good.
Hi. May I try the strawberry matcha with oat milk, please? Yes.
Can I do the honey lavender
Okay.
and oat milk as well? Yummy. Pistachio. Honey lab. Thank you.
So I'm so glad you guys checked us out.
Oh yeah, always.
It's definitely a must every time we come here.
Lavender.
Yeah.
Yay. Look at this. Our Maui matcha moment. Chan. Chan guys.
Ooh.
Yum.
So good. Okay.
I want
10 out of
more.
10.
I want to come back again.
Alright, next location, Portrait Salad.
Hey,
Is it
Cowie.
cat? We got strawberry lemonade, tomato bisque. We got build your own salad. That looks good. Royal jam.
Tuna melt, or ahi melt, sorry.
It's the same thing. It's the same.
It smells good. Whoa.
Hello everyone, we're currently at day 2 of baseball game.
They're getting ready right now. Labu, labubu, labubu.
Hello vlog.
Casanova now, Italian restaurant.
Super hungry, super excited. We got really good food. And we'll show you what we get. Okay, bye.
Fresh catch, mahi mahi.
I got the squid ink pasta with seafood. Looks super good. We're gonna go destroy these now. Bye bye. Wow, that was so good. How was dinner, Nicole?
Fulfilling. Fulfilling, haha, that's funny.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's our last day in Maui. We're gonna go get breakfast at King's Barbecue. Oh, that's not bad. Bacon over easy. Wow, $5. That's not bad.
Ooh, it smells so good.
How's your honeydew?
I seen they use fresh honeydews. I saw her cut up the fruit right in front of me. And the ice is actually from distilled spring water.
It matches with QQ.
You want some QQ?
Last minute raisin cakes. Yay. Chang. I got me an extra toast. I love Raisin King's toast. We're at Tanaka Ramen for lunch before we head to the airport.
How's it, brothers?
We're leaving now. Thanks, Maui.
What's up, Nicole Vlog? Too many more trips.
We made it through TSA. Heading to our gate now.